everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to create this holiday Christmas look for you guys. I love it. It's very dramatic, very glittery, very pretty, very me, and hopefully you'll like it too. I wanted to give you guys some holiday inspo before the parties and Christmas Day comes, so here you go. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and prep and prime. I'm going to be using the Porefessional as always to fill in my pores. Next I'm going to go in with the NYX First Base Primer Spray. And for foundation I'm going to go in with the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. And I'm going to be using the Morphe foundation brush. Next, I'm going to go in with the Milani Retouch and Erase Concealer. On top of my concealer, I'm going to add the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutral. And with my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it all out. Okay, so now that I've concealed, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the NYX Professional HD Finishing Powder in the shade Banana. And I'm going to be using my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH07 brush. So now I'm going to set my face with the E.L.F HD Setting Powder, and I'm going to be using the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH01 Fluffy Brush. Now that I've set my face, it's time to contour, so I'm going to go in with my HOOLA bronzer and my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH02 contouring brush. And for a more precise contour, I use the JH05 Morphe by Jaclyn Hill brush. Next is eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist in Deep Brunette and my two MAC brushes, a little MAC spoolie and a MAC angle brush. Okay, so for the fun part, now that I'm done doing my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and start on my eye. So to start off with the base, I'm going to go in with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. It's just a fluffy, super duper fluffy eyeshadow brush. And my HOOLA bronzer as well. Next, I'm going to grab my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be going in with the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH35 eyeshadow brush. It already has a little bit of the shade I'm going to be using because I was practicing earlier. So I'm going to go in with Raw Sienna into my crease and just work that in there. Put a little bit of that, all the excess. Next, I'm going to go in with the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH38 eyeshadow brush. It is a more of a defined like pencil brush. And the next shade I'll be using is Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette. So I blended it out, nothing too crazy, I'm not trying to make it super perfect, but now I'm going to go in and carve out my upper eyelid to just add some glitter later. So I'm just going to be using a Morphe concealer brush and my Maybelline Neutralizer Concealer. Now I'm going to add the Stila Cosmetics Smoky Storm, and it's the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. So I'm going to put this on the top of my eyelid. I actually went in with raw sienna and smoked out the corners a little bit more. Okay, so next is going to be eyeliner, and I'm just going to be using a liquid felt tip black eyeliner. I still don't know the brand. Yeah, this is the Revertre Luxe Pen Artist Edition liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to carve out my eyeliner just a little bit on the sides with the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara and add some lashes. For mascara, I use the Voluminous Lash Paradise and the Roller Lash by Benefit. For lashes, I'm using the V&A Strick and DELUXE Cosmetics collab. Her lashes are in the name V&A, so these are her self-named lashes. Guys, these lashes are amazing. Look at them. They're so fluffy. I don't know if you can like see how fluffy they are. I like hold my hair. Oh my gosh. I love these. I'm going to go in with some NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk for my waterline. And now for my lower lashes, I'm going to go back in with the shade Raw Sienna and do my lower lash line. And I'm using the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH for one brush. And now for a pop of color, I'm going to be using Buttercake from the Cute AF ColourPop palette. I have a Morphe flat top brush that I'll be using for my lower lash line as well. I like this idea. Now for some bottom mascara with the Roller Lash by Benefit. The Shade and Light Glimmer Eye Contour Palette. That's what it's called. I got it wrong in the last video. And I'll be using Cinder? No, I'll be using Sterling in my inner corner to brighten it up. So for blush, I'll be using the Real Techniques Blush Brush in Rose Gold and the Glamorous Blush Set from BH Cosmetics, and I'll be probably using this little red shade right here. And for my lips, I'm going to use the Morphe liquid lipsticks in the shade Morphe. And last but not least, to highlight, I'll be using the Milani Sun Glow Luminescence highlighter and a Morphe highlighting brush. I set it with the Continuous Setting Mist from Morphe, and I'll just spray that all over. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my hair and change really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I went ahead and added little snowball earrings with the dainty choker and this red sweater dress that I love. I actually wore this exact outfit last Christmas, so there's that. But yeah, I curled my hair. I wanted some like big kinky curls, so went ahead and did that, and I love the way it looks. So if you'd like a tutorial on how to get your hair like this, leave it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for you, and let me know if you recreate it by tagging me in your photos. So feel free to subscribe and follow my channel, turn on your notification bells, and to follow all of my social media that'll be in the description box below. Thank you guys! Don't you just love the way you look with just eyebrows on? For those of you wondering how comfy I am, look at my festive holiday leggings. They're so cute.